Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rondell Mitchell. In this video today, I want to do a little bit of training because, the funny thing about these online opportunities is they're not very difficult for you to be able to get sales and signups and for you to be able to make money, but you do have to be a little bit personable. And I think that's the one thing that a lot of people are trying to get away from is that they want to hide behind a computer, but they don't want to make any connections. They don't want to build any rapport. And, those are the things that are going to get you the money. So in this video, I want to show you a very, very basic concept that you can use that will help you. It'll help you to make money in any program that you promote. Now, in this particular example, I'm going to use Exitus Elite, okay, because this is something that I've been needing to do for a long time and I haven't done it. So, one of the sayings that I created a couple years back, I've never heard anybody else say this, but you should market while you're marketing. Now, what I mean by that is a lot of times while I'm in the process of doing things for my business, I will record myself while I'm doing the things for my business. So while I'm marketing, I'm marketing. Okay, so I'm marketing while I market. So what I'm doing today is I'm making this tutorial and I'm about to show you something that you can do for your business, but in the process of me showing it to you, it's going to actually work for my business regardless of whether you decide to participate or not. Okay, so that's what I mean by market while you're marketing. Okay, so let me show you what I want to talk about today. So let me go ahead and log into the back office of Exitus Elite. Okay, now Exitus Elite is one of my favorite high ticket programs online, and reason being is because it's very, very professional looking. That's just a pet peeve of mine when things do not look professional, especially when you have to consider this. If you're thinking about getting involved in a high ticket opportunity and you're spending $1,000, even $2,000 to get started in that opportunity, don't you at least want it to look like that's how much that the creator paid to design it? Sometimes these people are in these opportunities, they're promoting high ticket opportunities. It costs $7,500 to get involved, but the website looks like they paid $500 for the website. That's incongruent. And anybody with any common sense is going to notice this and they're going to say, hey, why should I pay 10 grand to join this opportunity and the website looks so cheap, and so on and so forth. But that's a tangent for another day. I'm not going to get into that. Okay, so let's discuss what the purpose of this video is all about. The purpose of this video is all about getting yourself seen. And when I say yourself, I mean yourself. I don't mean your website. I don't mean your email. I don't mean your social media. I mean your face. You need to get your face seen if you want to be able to connect with other people and get sales in whatever it is that you promote. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to focus on how to create a bridge page. A bridge page. Now, if you don't know what a bridge page is, it's just simply a little introductory page that you show all of your prospects prior to them being able to see your opportunity. Okay, so how that would work is typically, let me show you the process. Okay, so let's click here on the marketing suite and we're going to open up the capture pages. Okay, so let's pull up the page that houses all of the capture pages. All right, so now you're going to have your capture page. Now, you may have your own capture page builder, or you might be using a company provided capture page. In most companies, if you use their capture pages, you can't use your own autoresponder. Now, the example that I'm teaching you today is going to require you to have your own autoresponder, because if you can't use your own autoresponder, then you can't redirect to create your own bridge page. Now, fortunately, if you're a member of Exitus Elite, you can actually create your own bridge page. See right here, it says bridge page setup. So you can create a bridge page right within the Exitus Elite system. And as far as I know, Exitus is the only program that offers that particular feature. But We're going to do it the old-fashioned way, okay? So let's go ahead and click on HBA Premium. Now this is HBA, or the Home Business Academy, is one of the tools that I use to market. Now, I have my own funnel builders and things like that that I've been using for years already. But a lot of people, they don't want to spend $200 on a funnel builder all at one time. So I provide HBA to people who just want to pay $20 a month, or $25 a month, excuse me, and they can create capture pages and sales pages and all of that good stuff on the fly. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on login, okay, because I'm going to make this as simple to understand as possible and show you how easy this really is. So for $25 a month, you're going to be able to get the HBA Funnel Builder. Now the HBA Funnel Builder, it comes with a bunch of pre-designed pages and everything like that that you can use. You can create your own capture pages, sales pages, membership website, bridge pages, and all of that good stuff. But in this particular example, what we want is we want to create a bridge page. So by creating a bridge page, what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be setting up a page that allows you to place a simple video on that page, and then you can introduce yourself to your leads. Okay, so let me find one for you real quick. Oops. All right. Add new step, page. Now you can see I've got a bunch of options here. Okay, so let's see. We have the HBA templates, perfect templates, thank you pages is basically the best. A thank you page is similar to what a bridge page would look like. Okay, so we'll use this one right here as an example. All right, so we're going to click on preview so I can show it to you. Okay, so now let's go back to the capture pages here. So I'm just going to go to one of the random capture pages. I'll just click on this one. Okay, now this is what typically is going to happen when a person opts into your website. Okay, so when a person opts into your website, it'll look like this: Bob the Builder, and then it'll say Bob the Builder 2478 at gmail.com. I'll skip the phone number and then I'll click on the button. Okay, now you can see that it redirected directly to the opportunity. This is how 99.999% of marketers market, is they redirect directly to their opportunity. Okay, so what you should be doing if you want to connect with more of your leads and put them at ease, because what we're really trying to do is we're trying to put people at ease that there's a real person behind this opportunity, and that this is not just some Nigerian scammer, or wherever else in the world that scammers are trying to scam people. So, what we're going to do is, before they see this page, we're going to drop a little page in front of it that tells them who we are and all of that good stuff. So now let's go back here and let's go into the funnel builder. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on select. Okay, so now I will type in EE bridge. Okay, keep it very simple. All right, so now everything else you can just leave be. Okay, you can leave it be. So now we're going to click on the add button. All right, now it's populated. So now what do I want to say on that page? So let's go back and look at what the current page says. Okay, it says discover how you can participate and profit in the multi-billion-dollar online learning business. Okay, so I'm going to come back here and I'm just going to say wait, this is important. Uh, actually, you know what? This is perfect. What they opted for will be delivered to your inbox in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So it'll say, I'll just put the info. No, I'll say your video will be delivered to you inbox in the next 5 to 10 minutes. But while you wait, please watch this important video first. Okay. Now, delete that little portion, come up some, and now what we're going to do is we're going to change the link for this button. So when we get the link for this button, we're going to put this link in for that particular button. Okay. Da, 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 da. All right, there we go. So now, I'm going to click on the chain here, click on the button, click on the edit link tab, or where the little chain link is, and then we're going to click here. What is the step? Oops, I'm sorry. What is the step that we're trying to take? We are trying to put an external link on that button. So let's click on external link. We want it to open in the same tab. Okay, so we're going to paste our link right there, and then we want it to open in the same tab. We don't want it to open in a new tab because we don't want them to have two tabs open where they can toggle back and forth, because your sales page is more important than your bridge page. So once they click on this button, it's going to take them directly to the sales page. Okay. All right. And then you can say click here to go to the next step. Now, technically, they're going to get an email from you that will send them back to the same place. But this, what we're doing here, is just our way of introducing. So don't be confused by the fact that it says that they'll receive the video the next 5 to 10 minutes. That's not a lie. They're going to get the email and it's going to have a link that takes them right back to the same place. But what we need to do is try and get them there right now. So what we're going to do is, now that we have everything set up, the only thing that's missing is the video. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to create the video. Okay, so I'm going to record the video. Now obviously I can't create the video while I'm creating the video, but I will do a mock-up of what it is that I was about to do, or what I'm about to do after I finish with you guys. Okay, so pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically do it like this. I'm going to turn on my camera. If you're uncomfortable in front of the camera, what you could do is you could have your page that they're about to watch right there, and then when you're putting your video on the camera, it will be very small, just like the size of the video that you're seeing my face on right now. It'll be small like this, so that way you don't have to feel as self-conscious about being on the camera, because honestly they can see you but they can't really see you that well. It's not like you're on the news as a TV anchor or something. You just showing your head in a little box. Okay, so don't overthink this. But what you would do is, once you get to record your video, you would say, hey, this is Rondell Mitchell here. Thanks for checking out my video. Before you watch the information that you just opted in for, I just wanted to take a quick minute to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me and who I am. That way you know that you're working with a real person. Okay, so pretty much I decided to get involved in this particular opportunity because I was tired of working 60 hours a week. I was working 60, 70 hours a week between two different jobs, and I still was not making ends meet. When I saw that you have the opportunity to earn up to $2,000 in a single sale from this business, I decided that, hey, if I'm working this hard, I need to be able to find ways that I can buy back some of the time that I'm spending at work. If I could get just one $2,000 sale a week, or even a month, actually, if I could just get one $2,000 sale, preferably two, every month, then that would position me rather to be able to only have to work one job instead of working two jobs. So that's just one of the different reasons that I decided to get involved in this opportunity. Okay, so what you want to do, before you decide whether or not this is for you, what you're going to want to do is you can either wait and get the email that's coming to you, or preferably you could just click on the button below the video right now, and once you click on that button, it'll bring you over to a page that looks just like this, and then you can watch the 5-minute video that explains Exitus Elite. Okay, once you watch the 5-minute video, you'll want to click the button that's under that video, the one right here. It says learn more. Now when you click on the learn more button, it's going to break everything down in a little bit more detail. So now you can review the page, you can read all about the opportunity, learn about the products, the compensation plan, the training that's provided, and once you've completed those steps, the only thing left for you to do is simply make a decision and decide, is this for me or is this not for me? Okay, now in the event that you have any questions, all you have to do is reach out to me. You can either email me or you can contact me directly. If you want to contact me directly, my number is 614-600-2328. Again, my number is 614-600-2328. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and let you get to it and watch the video now. But, if you want to contact me after you've gone through the process, feel free, and I'll be here to help you. Thanks a lot. And that's all I would do, you guys. That's pretty much all I would do. Now, unfortunately, what I just did was a little long-winded. I usually don't necessarily want to go that long, but I do everything unscripted. It's not about trying to be perfect. It's trying to convey that other people can do this as well. And I have been told I have the gift of gab, and that may or may not be the case. Some people may have a harder time articulating themselves to say what it is that's on their mind, only simply because they don't know what to say. You see, I've been doing this for years and years, made thousands of videos. So what I do in these videos, it basically rolls off the tip of my tongue. But if you would just simply focus on helping other people and being yourself, the words you will find, they will start to come to you. Because this is not about us trying to make money. This is not just simply about us trying to only worrying about ourselves. That's the type of people who struggle to get enrollments in these programs, because once you place your focus and you put your emphasis on being of service to other people, they will feel that. Okay, now granted, a lot of you may not have any experience. You may not have any experience or whatever the case in marketing, and that you experience only comes with time. It only comes with activity and with making mistakes. And the longer that you sit there and you don't do anything, you're not getting any experience. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. Now, the last thing that you would have to do in this particular process is you would have to change the video from the template. So I'm just going to grab a video that I have in my I'm going to grab a random video out of my Vimeo account. And the reason that I'm using Vimeo instead of YouTube is because YouTube shows a bunch of related videos. Now, it used to be that Vimeo didn't show any at all. Now they do, but they only show 3. YouTube shows a multitude of related videos, and you never want to give people the opportunity to click away from you. Okay, so now let's go ahead and click on the video. First, what we did is we clicked on the box of the video, just in case you didn't catch that. So I clicked the video, and now you see this little prompt popped up where it says edit video. So I'm going to click on edit video, and now here where the link for my YouTube video is, I'm just going to double click or triple click, whatever it requires for you to highlight it, and then click on delete. Now I'm going to click on Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac, And now your oops, that's not actually the correct page, I don't think. Let me double check. Oh yes, it is. It says VSL. Okay, so now we've just placed that particular video into the editor. Now I don't know why it's not showing us a thumbnail as though it's in there correctly, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Changes. Once I click on Save Changes, it should work. Okay, so now let's go ahead and click this link and see what happens. Okay, so you can see that it did not populate. So let's go ahead and try it one more time. So let's click here on the video. It's like frozen, and I'm going to click the refresh button and try that one more time. Okay. I see what I did. That's my fault, you guys. I pasted the link for the opportunity that goes to the button. Okay, so let's double check and make sure that's correct. Okay, yes. So we have the right link on the button, but for the video, we were supposed to put this link. Now I tried to copy it, but it didn't copy. So now let's go back in here, click on edit video, double click, paste on top of it, and click away. And now you can see the video, and it's saying for whatever reason that it cannot retrieve the Vimeo content. And now I'm starting to get irritated, so now I'm going to head over to YouTube. I will log into my YouTube channel, and I will click on YouTube Studio. Technically I could have used anything, but you know, I've got OCD, so I just do whatever one. Alright, so now I'm going to click on this video, find the link, which is right here, come back. This should work fine since it's YouTube. It shouldn't give me any more crap. Paste it, click out, and there we go. Now I'll click on Save Changes, come back here, refresh the page, and voila. Now we have ourselves our own bridge page video. So now when you're setting up your capture page with your whatever capture page system that you use, instead of redirecting it to Exitus Elite, you redirect your capture page to your bridge page, and then you put your link for Exitus Elite or whatever opportunity it is that you promote as the link for the button under your bridge page video. Okay, so now I just click here and voila. So that's pretty much the concept of what I'm trying to show you guys, is that just by doing that simple step. Now mind you, it might take you 5 minutes to create your video. It might take you let's say if you're new to this, it might take you 25-30 minutes to set up your bridge page, but once you've done it, it's done. And from now on, any time that you generate any traffic to your sales funnel, people are going to know who you are even before they see the opportunity. I promise you, if they see who you are before they watch the opportunity, they will be much less prone to go sponsor shopping looking around for somebody else to join if you did a good job of connecting with them on the front end. Okay, if you didn't do a good job on your bridge page, and you know, you might have stuttered a lot and seem unsure of yourself, then of course they're going to go and do sponsor shopping and try and find somebody else to join. But if you did a good job of conveying the benefits of the opportunity, the reason why, which is extremely important, the reason why you decided to get into the opportunity, that will resonate with people. A lot of people, when you tell in the video that you decided to join this program because you were overworked, you were underpaid, people are going to resonate with that type of language. Okay, and in the process, they will probably want to join you. Okay, only thing outside of that, you guys, is just doing consistent follow up. Now, the program, it has built-in autoresponder messages, but if you're trying to be a professional, if you're trying to take this to the next level, then you're going to have to connect on your own. Okay, because when a person receives pre-written autoresponder messages from your business opportunity, they're only hearing about the business and they can't hear from you. When you're following up with your own autoresponder, however, now you can do more of the same of what we just did. Okay, you got a sale today, make a video about it and send that out to your list. You have something inspirational that you wanted to talk about, make a video about it and send that out to your list. Okay, do you have some type of tools or something like that that you want to share with them? Make a video about that and send that out to your list. If you can do these simple things, which are not hard at all, it will help your business grow tenfold, versus where it was this time last year, if you will implement this particular strategy. So hopefully you got a little bit of value out of this. In the event that you do need a page builder, you can create pages with the HBA Funnel Builder. So you can create not only the bridge page like this, but you can also create capture pages. Because if you're not using the capture pages from your program, which you're not going to be able to do if you're trying to follow this particular strategy, then you're going to need something that will create bridge capture pages for you as well as bridge pages. Okay, now for those of you who are in Exodus or you're getting into Exodus, if you just don't want to buy the autoresponder, I understand some of you are just that way. You're not going to buy an autoresponder no matter what your sponsor tells you. You can still create a bridge page inside of Exitus Elite. Okay, so all you would simply do is you would create the video and then you would come into Exodus and paste the code of your video that you created in the back office here. And then when you do, you just click on save and then you can preview the page and then click on activate bridge page. When you do that, the exact same thing that we just talked about is going to happen. So for example, if this was your capture page and a person opts in on your page, once they opt in, once you set that up, they'll be able to see you before they see the opportunity. Do this, you guys. Do it with every opportunity that you promote, and do it well. If you're unhappy with the quality of it, post it anyway, and then once you practice a little bit, get a little bit more concise about what it is that you want to say, then you replace the old one with a new one, and then you just keep on split testing. If you think you can make a better one, then you make a better one and you replace that one. As you start to get more and more results, you replace the older ones with the newer ones where you can showcase the results that you've been getting. This is not rocket science, you guys. It's all about working hard and working smart consecutively. Okay, so hopefully now that I have gotten all of that out of my system, you guys got some value from this. If you're interested in either Exitus Elite or getting involved with the HBA Funnel Builder so you can build those pages on the fly like we did, you can get the HBA Funnel Builder for $25 a month. If you refer two people, is free because they pay you $20 a month in residual. And I've earned quite a bit just from referring a handful of people from an email. Okay, so that's all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Just leave a comment below or call me at 614-600-2328. All right, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.